BMW drivers are the rudest on the roads, says survey. Take our poll and see. Scroll down for poll. More than half of us think drivers of BMWs are rude and inconsiderate, a new poll has found. Some 2,000 motorists were surveyed to mark the launch of new Dave television series Yeni. And some 56% of motorists polled said people who own a BMW M3 are inconsiderate. Range Rover drivers were second on the list, 48%. They were followed close behind by Audi TT, 43%, owners. Motorists who get behind the wheel of a Ford Transit van were only ranked 5th, 36%, in the poll. This comes despite the often negative reputation of white van man.